This RIRAH curl cream has been a savior for my hair. See the amazing curls. This is perfect. Get yours now.
Ladies, you need to get a skill.
Yes.
I highly recommend you reach out to RIRAH Creates and learn AI content creation.
Hey fam, my name is Nadira, and guess what? I am AI. RIRAH Creates made me, and she would teach you how to do the same.
Check out my outfit. I got it from Pinterest. I know I look stunning, right? Yeah, I am gorgeous.
The kind of man you are is revealed by what you tolerate. Low standards attract chaos. Discipline your life or life will humble you. A real man is not loud. He is disciplined. He wakes up even when he doesn't feel like it and works when nobody's watching.
I want you to meet Nadira. Nadira is my AI influencer. She is a stunning, chic Caribbean lady. And Nadira is going to star in different movies. Nadira is going to star in different ads. In fact, if you watch Day 6 video, she starred in her first ad. Nadira is stunning. Now, the reason why I have to show you different images of Nadira is because I wanted you to see the realism here. If you go to watch, that should be Day 2 video. Okay, first of all, for those of you that are just joining us, this is a 30-day AI content creation challenge where I am teaching you how to create different AI content and how you can monetize them. You can start by watching from day 1, so you get a grasp of what we are doing here, because this should be Day 7. No, this should be Day 8. This is Day 8. So I created Nadira, and I'm going to use Nadira to begin a show, begin a podcast or something. But this is Nadira. Say hi to her. Okay, back to why I am here. I posted this on X. And I did have a lot of people say, oh, want to learn how to create an AI influencer. Want to learn how to create an AI influencer. Another niche that has been blowing up recently is the AI influencer niche, where you can create an influencer and that influencer is going to talk about products, start a podcast, talk about digital products, relationship, health, different things. Your AI influencer can talk about it. To make this perfect, you need to have consistent face, so of course. So I know people would say, oh, this is AI, but when there's 100% realism, or let's just say when there is 80% to 90% realism, you should be able to achieve perfection out of that. And you also need to get a consistent voice with that. So I'm just going to show you how you can create something like this. First off, we need to go over to ChatGPT. Actually use ChatGPT to get ideas on how I would want to create the influencer. So let's just do this. Hey, I need you to give me a prompt to create a stunning, handsome, good-looking, should we say, Jamaican man. And I want him having hazel kind of eyes. He has nice, neat, long dreads, and he's looking all muscular and handsome. Now I want this particular AI influencer to talk about he's going to be hosting a podcast, and in his podcast he's going to be talking about masculinity, how everything related to masculinity and a bit of relationship talks too. So he has to look the part. I needed to give him a nice outfit. He has dreads, but he's still looking handsome and presentable and all outstanding. I don't know, just give me a prompt to create this. Note, he is 25 years old. Like I said, he's muscular, he's well built. He's that kind of man that when you see at a first glance, you immediately fall in love with him. His face card is 10 over 10. His teeth, his lips, his nose, his eyes, his eyelashes are long. He looks very handsome. So I need you to help me create a prompt to create this particular character. Just create the prompt to create him. Then I'm going to have him in other settings. So this is how I prompt. I know you know how I prompt already, because I tell you I try to be very descriptive to ChatGPT or any LLM I'm using, after being descriptive, I ask them to write out the prompts for me, and that's exactly what I just did here. Now, to create your AI influencer, we are going to be making use of Nano Banana. And you can see here, I have Nano Banana too. I'm going to create this. So if you start something like this, you can start a faceless account on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, where your health, your AI influencer, let's just speak health for example. Your AI influencer is talking about eating healthy meals, talking about fruits, talking about veggies. When you position this your AI influencer, when your AI influencer begins to get views, begins to get followers, you can start doing affiliate marketing for health brands that would want to sell things like supplements, or it's more like you are building a brand with an individual, and then influencer gigs are going to come up and the rest of that. You can just take it from different perspectives. You could have your AI influencer talk about luxury outfits. And where can you get those luxury outfits from? You can just go to Pinterest. This is Pinterest for those of you that don't know. I tend to get a lot of ideas from Pinterest too. You can just go to Pinterest and have her style, just get different ideas from here. There's another niche you could try. You could have your AI influencer stay in fashion, where she's wearing chic outfits and she's just being all nice and talking about different outfits, fashionable outfits. Now you're positioning your AI influencer for fashion gigs. So just come over to Pinterest and then you can search for this. Or you can even have your AI influencer talk about gossip. A lot of things. Just be very creative with what you're going to be doing. Hope you understand, right? So back to our ChatGPT. This is the prompt. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to come over here to create the character. So I'm going to be using ×3 output so I can create 3 different versions of this man. Now, to get the voice, one thing is Google brought out this idea, or not idea, or update where you can pick a custom voice for your character. Google has Google AI Studio, and AI Studio has different kinds of voices, but you cannot access that except on the ultra plan. I can't even access it because this is a pro plan. There is the free plan, there's a pro plan, then there's the ultra plan. So you can select a custom voice for your AI influencer if you are using that. But a hack I use is I come over here and then I tell it to give me a voice style. So I tend to use that voice style in every scene my character is supposed to talk. My AI influencer is going to talk, just like what I'm about to do now. So I need you to give me a voice tone and a voice style for him. He's going to be using this voice forever. This is his voice. Let's give him a custom voice, something that sounds Jamaican. I don't know if we should say Jamaican, but it sounds so polished and so sleek and so nice and so outstanding. You get it? Something like that. So can we have a voice for him? Let's create that. So let's go over to check. Oh my god. This one is fine. Can you see his eyes? This man is fine. All right, so let's see. I actually like the eyes. I like this, and I like all of the. So this is the prompts we have. Now we're going to be using this as our base image, meaning that whenever we want to create any character, let's give him a name. Let's pick a nice Jamaican name for him. Let's say nice Jamaican, no restaurants names for men. Abisai, Idine, Berkeley. We're going to pick a nice name for him. Or I like Orma, Cleve. Wayne Fitzroy. So I'm going to use Fitzroy. Okay, I'm going to pick a name later, but right now let's. This one is it's okay. So I like it. I like even has a YouTube play button. Are you seeing the future? Probably we're going to start a YouTube channel for him, and then we are going to get to 100,000 subscribers. Who knows? But this is our influencer, and we'll come over here to get our voice prompt. If you want to get ideas for, I'm going to do something first. I actually like this. I'm going to save this. It looks like something that my influencer should wear. You're going to understand what I mean. I'm going to show you how you can also use your influencer to put on fashion. We're going to do all of that by God's grace. So let's just start podcast or main podcast. This is it, okay? So the reason why I'm showing you this is so that you can have ideas for maybe you have a particular way you want your AI influencer to post, or you want to get ideas generally. You want to get the setup for your podcast. It all depends on what you want to work with. But we're going to stick with what we have here. So I'm going to use. I like this. Let's see. Let's use this. So back to okay, this is the voice tone. This is the accents. This is the voice style. This is the personality. Okay, so since we are going to be having him talk about masculinity, let's get some topics for him. Okay, so I want him to talk about masculinity, and then I want you to give me just 4 topics he could talk about. Not much. It's going to be punchy. You know, that kind of punchy 10 or 12 or 15 seconds conversation. Punchy and straight to the point, but really striking about masculinity. Let's have something like that. Give me 4 of it. So I'm going to try this out. So if you want your AI influencer to put on a different outfit, I can download this, or I'll download this. Let's download in 2K. Then you know how I taught you how I taught you to upload images. We are going to upload the image, and then we are going to add this as a base prompt, and then add our prompts to it. You understand? So I'm still waiting. By the way, if you've not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. Also, you can check out my seller store. I'm going to leave the link to my seller store where you can access different PDFs, and I'm also going to be starting a paid community soon. So keep your fingers crossed. I'm going to be starting a paid community where you get updates, you have access to me, you are going to be getting everything in my head. I'm going to be pouring it to you. So get ready to be part of my paid community. Okay, so yeah, we have a real man is not loud, he's disciplined. He wakes up when he doesn't feel like it, works when nobody's watching, and keeps his word when it's inconvenient. That's power. I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to go over here. Then my image has been downloaded, right? So let me show you that I'm going to upload the image of our Jamaican influencer. Let's upload this. Then I'm going to just add a prompt and I'll say, I want him standing in a red carpet event. He wears a tux. He is standing close to a chic 22-year-old curvy Arabian lady who wears a chic dinner gown, has nice hair. I'm just freestyle nice hair and makeup on. They look like a power couple. So this is just me freestyling. Let's create this. So back to, oh my god, I just thought about something. How about we have him holding Nadira? Yeah, okay, we are going to try that out. So let's upload Nadira's image. So the creativity in my head is just something else. So let's upload Nadira's image and let's see. Okay, so this is Nadira. Which am I going to select? Okay, let's select this image of Nadira. Oh, I was the one that made the mistake, oh, ladies and gentlemen. Do you know what I did? Can somebody guess what I did? I did not upload his image. I just went on to give a prompt. I didn't upload the image like this. That's why you're seeing this. So let's generate again and see. So I'm just going to download this. No, not download it. I'm going to delete it. Thank you. It was nice banking with you. Delete and delete. I'm going to set this to ×2. So I'm going to have him and Nadira stand together. In the meantime, let's go over to creating our video. So to create our video, we are going to click on this icon. So we click on animate, and then I'm going to say, he says, not that. He says, a real man is not loud, he's disciplined. He wakes up when he doesn't feel like it, walks when no one is watching. I'm going to go back now and then I'll copy his voice. I'm going to say, stick with this voice tone. So select that, then click on enter. All right, so back to so you can actually see the isn't this nice? This is amazing. Okay, so I'm going to download this. Let's download it and let's have him and Nadira. So I'm going to upload his image, then upload Nadira's image. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT to get a better prompt. Excuse me. Okay, so I want him standing with, okay, not standing per se. I want him with a lady. And I need you to give me a prompt for their outfits. Note, they are going to be wearing, I want them in a nice setting with a nice pose, like all lovey-dovey and curled up, more like that kind of romance kind of thing. But you're going to give me their outfits. They're looking so chic and modern. Maybe, I don't know, but something so chic and modern for the man and then for the woman. Also give me a setting too. So let's just try this out. In the meantime, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel because the value I'm giving to you is premium. You can attest to that, right? Okay, I'm just going to copy this and then go over here to generate. So it's as simple as this. Let's just use one output. Let's listen to him.
A real man is not loud and he's disciplined. He wakes up when he doesn't feel like it, works when nobody's watching. And a real man is not loud and he's disciplined. He wakes up when he doesn't feel like it, works when nobody's watching. And a real man is not loud and he's disciplined.
Okay,
He wakes up when he doesn't feel like
I don't like the output I'm getting. Oh, this is on VO3 lights. Okay, so let's use fast. So I was wondering, let's click on recreate. A real man is not loud. He is disciplined. He wakes up even when he doesn't feel like it and works when nobody's watching. So let's generate this. And I think I've mentioned this before. One thing about these image generators and video generators is you tend to get better outputs based on the quality of your prompts and also based on the model you're working with. So I created this using lights. No qualms with lights, but I want to explore this using the 20 credits, and let's see what we get. So back to our images. Okay, so Nadira is in love. So this is the image, and you just need to upload the reference image to get. This is not the pose I was actually aiming for though, but I'll try that out in other creations. But this is how you create your AI influencer, and you just, let's get the same character. Let's get the voice prompt first. Waiting for this.
a real man is not loud. He is disciplined. He wakes up even when he doesn't feel like it and works when nobody's watching. A real man is not loud. He is disciplined. He wakes up even when he doesn't feel like it and works when nobody's watching. A real man is not.
Okay, so one thing I want to do is I want to use this extend feature to extend this creation. Let's try this out. Like I said, one thing I've noticed with these AI creators is, except probably you're imputing it as a base audio for 11 Labs. 11 Labs can do that. But when you're using VEO3, you tend to get, the voices might not always sound similar. But let's just try it out. So I'm going to do this and say, he continues and says, he also keeps his word when it's, inconvenience, and that's power. So let me go get the voice prompts. So I'm going to say, notes, he speaks with the same voice as the previous clip. Then I'm going to paste this. So this is how you can create your influencer. Now the fact is, other models like Hicksfield and Clay would help you get a better control of the voice. But if you're making use of VO3, this is the best way you can achieve that. You can achieve it by sticking with the same voice prompts, just like how we stuck with the image prompts. And you can also use that one I mentioned earlier that Google brought in the Ultra plan. I think the Ultra plan is about 179,000 for a month or something. I think so. 179,000 per month, and it gives 25,000 credits. So you can try out that one too. So you just select a voice from Google, and afterwards you can create your videos. So let's just wait for this to generate. And see, it's slow. That's one thing about Google. It's really, really slow. So by the way, hope you've liked this video and hope you subscribe to the channel. All right, let's play.
A real man is not loud. He is disciplined. He wakes up even when he doesn't feel like it and works when nobody's watching. Like DJ Mobrachin. He also keeps his word. When it's inconvenient, and that's power. And a real man is not loud. He is disciplined. He wakes up even when he doesn't feel like it and works when nobody's watching. Like DJ Mobrachin.
What was the magic he was saying there? I'll have to cut that part out. But this is how you can create it. And just try to stick with the prompts. Just try to get your prompts perfectly. You can use this for podcasts. You can use this for health topics. Just make your research. You understand? Just make your research about this and create something. Don't dull yourself. Create something. Bye bye. I'm going to see you in day 9.